All right, so I got a bunch more random pickups for you guys that I wanted to go ahead and show you guys in this video, so stay tuned. What is going on, guys? Has here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, definitely worth doing so. Right now they have a crazy 40% off Adidas US website, and it is ridiculous the steals that you can get on there. I just posted a video on some steals on these, and these ones actually were only $38 when I got them. Now they're only $33 shipped, and I'm going to be doing something really crazy with these just to give you guys a preview of what you can do and what I'm going to give you guys a tutorial to do. This is a different pair that I ended up getting. You can actually buy these ones as well for only 60 bucks. But I did a crazy little dye on top of these that I plan on doing on a couple different shoes. So this was my guinea pig shoe. I did a lighter version on the first one, and then I did a darker version on the second one. I plan on doing the same exact theme on these parlay ones, so expect a video on these ones soon. These ones aren't on the sale anymore, but these ones I got for super cheap, and I'm going to be doing that dye on top of this one as well. So I just want to let you guys know about this Adidas sale, though. Definitely worth checking out. The prices are absolutely crazy. And I'll show you guys the first things first, which is why you guys clicked in on this video. And it's this one right here. So this pair right here you can actually get for $84 shipped, which is insane. Retail price is $200. And this pair of Ultra Boost Climas actually glows in the dark. It's crazy that they didn't promote it anywhere, and they just look like a regular pair of Climas with the large perforation on the toe area right here. But this is actually glow in the dark, and it really glows hard. The entire upper is actually glow in the dark. So huge marketing miss on Adidas as far as I'm concerned, but these are absolutely crazy when they glow in the dark, and I cannot believe I did not know this. Shout out to the person that hit me up on Twitter and told me it. I thought he was trolling me, honestly, 100%. But I actually got this pair from Finish Line. I think the price was $89 shipped, but right now you can get them from Adidas for only $84, and that is including shipping US. So crazy price on those, definitely worth doing it. The code on the website and the link to the product is in the description, so go check that out. But what do you guys think about that? Like the fact that these are glow in the dark and Adidas never said anything. I think that if they would have told us, I think that these would have sold through a lot better. I had not as much interest in them until I saw them glow in the dark. Although I have to tell you that I had the choice between these two for the same price. Originally, I ended up buying this one instead because I like the parlay version. But this one was a close second, and since it does glow in the dark, this one was an easy cop for myself. And I apologize for the echo if there is one in this video. I am filming downstairs right now because the wife and the kid are upstairs sleeping. So I'm trying to make the best use of my time showing you guys what I ended up picking up. So that is the first things first. This is why you clicked on the video and why I mentioned it. Glow in the dark, we had no idea, and the price point is only $84, which is less than 50%. Price is better than the Adidas employee store. Absolutely, we're checking it out if you guys are interested in buying these. Man, crazy, crazy price point, and great shoe regardless of summer coming to an end. Moving on, super random. I ended up getting this from a Bathing Ape, and I bought this t-shirt here for pretty crazy prices. So this is gonna be for baby Maddie, as you could see, or Madeline Mays is my little daughter's name, but you can see this little baby Milo on a surfboard, kind of some Hawaii vibes. And we like to vacation in Hawaii on a regular basis, and we'll be going there probably every other year at least with the entire family. So got that. And then, so they had like a Bape sale. I just randomly caught a tweet on it, and I checked out the site and bought a couple items. The things I was trying to get, of course, I couldn't get, but I ended up getting a couple other random things. But prices of these stuff was pretty wild, and I got them for all three of these for $100 shipped. So this is a shirt that I ended up getting as well. Nothing fancy, but just a long sleeve shirt that I could wear casually, something that I thought looked kind of nice, and just has a little bit of random stuff on the bottom down here. It says Ape right down here. But yeah, kind of cool shirt, just real plain simple, and something I could wear and use as a layer shirt. And then I ended up buying these crazy things as well. So not dope looking to most people. I get it. We'll see. I'll show you. But the reason why I got these, I figured it could be fun to go ahead and take this denim. And even though it's like super old school and has a really wide legs on them, but I thought it would be really fun to be able to take this because it was like $28 or something like that. To be able to take this denim and actually adjust it and take in the legs and stuff on it and see if I can actually get it tailored. So I figured it would be fun to do that, and that's why I bought this. The retail on this was actually $288. So $28 is like ridiculous for these, and you can see the little tag on it right there. But obviously super crazy, out of style, but I figured, you know, for 28 bucks I can try to make them in style by adjusting it, and maybe I could do some sort of distress work to the denim as well. But that's what I ended up getting from a Bathing Ape. And moving on. So next, you guys already know, but I copped a couple pairs of 350s. I showed you guys on Instagram and Twitter, and I actually am excited because I'm going to be doing the custom to these, similar to what I did here already. So expect that video to show you guys the customs on all three of these shoes. These ones, and these ones pretty soon, because I want to do this marble dye and I want to get good at it. It's just fun to be able to do. It's really, really simple. And I thought it would look dope on this pair right here. But I have plans for a couple different colorways. And I'll show you guys the other one right here. So 2 pairs of creams, as I told you guys I was gonna get. Ended up getting both pairs super easy on Adidas.com. The sale went awesome. I actually just love the fact that they had such a mass amount of these and so easy to cop. And you can actually buy them from Yeezy Supply right now in select sizes. The Adidas US site, though, completely sold out, but plan on doing some cool customs on both of these. But that is this one that I ended up getting. So the last 2 boxes over here, super random pickups, like crazy random. Ended up getting a pair of Air Jordans, as you can see from the box. And we have a pair of the Paris Air Jordan 5s, and I ended up getting these from some random, like unisport.com, I don't even know, just some random site. But I ended up getting them from an overseas site, and they finally showed up. And all in all, like, I don't know anything about soccer, so for me, this was kind of like a, why did I buy those? Except for I like the Paris logo across here. I thought it was cool. And the color blocking, because it's really similar to a black metallic Air Jordan 5, except for the black tongue that's reflective. I think that is cool how they changed it instead of the silver. But all in all, I like the detailing of the shoe, and I wanted to see the quality in hand. Pretty decent if you asked me. Did you guys pick these up or not? Retail was kind of crazy on these. Price point I think was like $2 or $2.25 or just nuts, but quality is decent on them. Looks like some McDonald's grade nubuck material, but it's nice and soft at least. At the end of the day, I'm not 100% sure I'm going to be keeping these because I got so many other pairs this week that I was kind of not expecting. So we'll see what ends up happening with this one. The fate of the Paris joints, I'm just not 100% sure if I'm going to keep them. But the last pair that I ended up getting is a random one as well. Somebody actually tweeted me and wanted to know if I was going to review these, and so it's a Nike Zoom Fly Flyknit, and this is the butt ugly looking shoe right here. So I will be doing a review of these. I did try these on initially. As soon as I got them, I just wanted to see if they were comfortable, and I'll do a detailed review of these, but not my favorite looking shoe. And I've gone over this in many videos in the past, but some of the midsoles that look similar to this are actually made out of Lunarlon, some are React, and then others are actually the Zoom X. In this case, it's actually full-length React, but the difference between this and many of the others on the market is that there's actually a carbon fiber plate. And the carbon fiber plate is the same thing that they used on the 4%, which is their flagship $250 version. This was $160, and I will let you guys know what I think. I think the upper I thought was gonna be interesting because it is Flyknit. But yeah, my first impressions of the shoes, not so great. We'll see if they improve or not when I give you guys the review pretty soon. But that's the haul. Again, only $84 right now. Glow in the dark, super shocking to myself. Got the double up of the Yeezys here and here. And then I got the Paris 5s, some outdated Bape stuff, but I thought it was fun regardless. And then the brand new technology right here, the Nike Flyknit. And that's the pickups this day, I guess. It's been crazy, man. So many pickups recently. But thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Much appreciated. And subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. I have a bunch of fun custom videos that I plan on doing for you guys very soon. So check back on the channel if you guys want to see some of the customs, as well as some of the other reviews on such products such as that, and the custom on these ones again. But thank you guys again for watching. More videos soon, and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Notification bell if you want to be notified of when the videos go live. Have a good rest of the day, guys. Peace.